Okay, this is a test of the new earpiece mic, and I'm about 4 inches away from it. I'm recording this, and just tap on it. There we go. And we can hear how this sounds when I play it back in a moment over my monitors here in the studio. And just for the test, going on and off, it's on. Back on again, there we go. So, as you can probably tell when you hear it, this is a lo-fi microphone. I'm now 6 inches away. Let's play it back. Okay, so that's how it sounds. It is indeed a very lo-fi mic. Now, the interesting thing is that for a lot of cheap mics, I kind of did what a lot of people do, and they short pins 1 and 3 of the XLR connector together to allow this. A very cheap way of allowing this thing to be used with a balanced input and also an unbalanced input. So it gives you good compatibility, and it's very simple. The problem is that it's a bit of a cheat, because if you have phantom power engaged going into this mic, if you're using extremely cheap equipment, it could be problematic because you're shorting 2 pins together. And so you have to hope that the equipment has good load resistors inside it. The other thing about this, of course, is that carbon mics are the best for that lo-fi sound. You know, you basically can't replicate the distortion that you get with them. But this is kind of not too bad. It's another color in your palette. You could probably achieve it with EQ if you really wanted to, but it still is pretty good. So it has its uses. Now, I like the colors. I love this orange that we have here, this orange foam. Back when I was experimenting with different colors for the chassis and for the foam to see what was really cool and I wanted to build for people, this was the runner-up. So I really like the orange and the black. It looked like Halloween. So I built one microphone just to show off what that would look like. I don't offer the carbon mics right now in this color scheme. But you let me know if you think this is cool and you like this color scheme. I could in the future for my carbon mics. And, you know, one interesting kind of little tidbit here with this is that, as I said, it came out of a Soviet telephone, and kind of lingering in the back of my mind is the suspicion of what dark conversations might have been had over the component that I've got in here, you know. If someone was reported or someone was informed on someone, I always have that thought lingering in the back of my mind. It kind of makes it a little bit eerie for me. Anyway, hopefully you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. I will see you on the next video. Take care.